Pablo just woke up. I am going to be going on a trip. I decided that last night, and yeah, I need one because I've had a really bad week and it sounds exactly incredible. I work a double today and then I have 3 days off, so I was like, fuck it, let's do it. Just noticed that in my Florida vlog, I'm pretty sure I was wearing this shirt too, which is funny. I definitely didn't plan that. We are on our way, aren't we, Pablo? Yeah. We're going to be camping in Santa Fe National Park tonight.
I'd like to talk to you. I hope you answer.
First snowstorm of the season, and I am driving through it. What up? Every once in a while, there'll be like a shit ton of like snowballs that hit my car. It's just like, it worked. We successfully avoided the snow. What do we think, Pablo? Fuck yeah, and there's the Rio Grande! You motherfucking kidding me? Well, you have to see that in person.
World know my name, bitch, my rap
Damn. What in the world? Came here on a whim because it was like close by and I knew that it wouldn't be snowing here because it's a little desertous, but I did not expect it to be this fucking insane. Like, this is incredible. That's the Rio Grande right there. So we finally found a spot. It has like a fire pit and everything. Right in the middle of the forest. Right, Pablo? We excited? It's actually really comfortable. I put my memory foam down and it's incredible.
Remember all the true practice when I die. Throw a couple bad bitches in my casket. Takes time for a revolution. Led by students.
Smoke some weed, get head while I do it.
Started out under the ground. They didn't fuck with me. Now they all coming around.
Don't pay me no mind, I'll be fine. I'll pull myself together this time. Oh my god. Man, it's a party in here. Cheers. Oh, wait till you see it from the back. Ooh, back. Hey. So for all the years that I had, I will be like that old Missouri farmer who came through the Great Depression and admitted, yes, those were hard times. I swear, it's like 20 degrees right now. Pablo has been on full-on protection mode all morning. Pablo, get your ass out the fucking move! There was 3 people passing by with horses this morning, and my dog decides to go ballistic. That was a bear. What do you think's gonna happen, Pablo? What do you think is gonna happen? So we got the bed all put away. I really want to take some pictures, like in the forest with some Modelo. I don't know why, but I'm in New Mexico, so it's something I want to do. Hardest part of leaving is accepting the reasons that somehow we keep repeating endlessly. Maybe let me know. This trip has been incredible. If you're going through a breakup or going through anything really where you're having a hard time, I highly recommend just taking off. I feel like it gives you just a ton of clarity just being outside and alone, like with your own thoughts. She always belonged to someone else. Hi, Mom! Hey! What's up? I'm still alive. Look at that mountain! So Mexican food is my all-time favorite food. Like, I could eat huevos rancheros for breakfast, or breakfast burritos, or breakfast tacos, or just like all Mexican food my whole life. For breakfast, I picked up some huevos rancheros from this little hole-in-the-wall kind of taco place. Literally, I'm about to die. Look at that. If that doesn't look like authentic freaking huevos rancheros. We right now are on our way to a place called Balas Nature Preserve. This place is absolutely insane. What? definitely not old. What the? And this super nice girl that's doing van life rolled up and asked if we could take each other's pictures. It's really insane the way that I end up meeting people like everywhere that I go. It's so cool. This girl basically is winging it. Like she has like a little white van and she put a bed in there and a little kitchen and she's just doing the van life thing. So that's really freaking dope because that's what I want to do next year. And so it's kind of like a sign from the universe being like, you can do this. It doesn't matter how you do it, but you can do it. I'm gonna do it!
Allow me to show you something.
Right now I am on my way to Albuquerque to go hang out with some friends.
Show that to my mom.
It's so sweet. Thrasher, it's the skateboard videos. Break it down, break it down. Ooh. You need help. So we left my friend's house and got ready and everything. The Andreas Marcadatos Trail. Yikes. So basically all those huge black rocks that you're seeing are molten lava rocks. So here's some petroglyph writing from 200,000 years ago. Crazy. Dang, Albuquerque. A little bit more right up there. Mama, these tacos are, wow, they're beautiful. More than a woman, more than a woman to me. If you could see these tacos, Mom, you'd be so jealous. Pablo's jealous. Pablo's like drooling right now.
Really?
Yep. After this trip to clear my head, I have my mindset in a decently good place, I feel like. Basically, I'm just gonna focus on the other things that make me happy and steer away from relationships and only be friends with dudes. But yeah, my mindset is that I know exactly what I want and I will not settle until I get that. Like, I want one where someone loves to travel as much as I do and like supports me in the things that I like because they like along the line to the same thing, but it doesn't have to be the exact same. It's like the kind of relationship and the kind of person that I'm sure about. Like I know now. Not scared, I